A knocking sound emanating from your fridge can be quite bothersome, and identifying the source of the noise is crucial to resolving the issue. The sound may originate from the back, bottom, or inside of the fridge. Several reasons may be contributing to this knocking sound, along with their respective solutions. Worn-out compressor mounts, located at the bottom of the fridge, may be damaged and require a replacement. Another possible cause is an issue with the condenser fan, situated at the back of the fridge, which may be obstructed and can be resolved by cleaning the fan blades to remove any debris. The evaporator fan, found inside the fridge, may also be problematic due to worn-out bearings or loose screws, which can be remedied by replacing the bearings and tightening the screws. Additionally, the ice maker may be the culprit, with frozen or loose parts that need to be replaced or repaired. A loose or damaged compressor can also cause the knocking sound, which can be fixed by tightening any loose nuts or replacing the compressor if it is worn out. By addressing these potential issues, you should be able to resolve the problem and eliminate the knocking sound from your fridge.